Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover, remove the old filter from the housing, and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.